Over time here at the orchard, we've evolved with the chefs sort of prompting, and I realized that we're starting to become what's called a culinary farmer. The chefs drive these things. They're the thought leaders in the community. And everything that's grown, actually in Napa Valley, especially the unusual things, is only because of chefs.
The California grown produce here is second to none. People coming here for food and wine, specifically for the bounty of this region. There's nowhere else like it in the country. We worked with Peter pretty extensively in his relationship with Row 7 Seeds. That's been amazing because we've really just had the ability to keep a signature dish on the menu.
The chefs that I'm going to work best with, that appreciate what I can create, are the ones that actually are interested in learning or saying, can you do this? Yes, I can, chef. Let me try, I'll put it in the ground. All of that makes that connection a very vital and exciting one.
Absolutely.
All of us feed each other, and we couldn't exist without each other to create the quality that we create. But it's also understanding chefs, working with chefs, learning how chefs are going to work with you, because you're not going to work with them, they're going to work with you. They create art out of it. I mean, culinary art, food art, actually just, you can take pictures of it and hang it on the wall. It's that beautiful in art.
It tastes pretty good too.
Yeah, that's true.